Ila-ilahon tarong buntaga mga kapuso Cebuano singer ug songwriter Jeric Aznar Cervantes. Mayong buntag, Jeric, welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live. Paki-greet sa imong mga fans, family ug friends.
Yo, what's up? I'm Jericho. Shout out my parents, my family, my friends, everyone supporting me with my music.
A lot of people know you, Jeric, as usa sa mga famous nga artists diri sa Cebu sa may sinugdanan ini imong karera isip singer-songwriter.
So, I started writing when I was in grade school, almost in high school. At that time, I didn't know how to play the guitar that much yet. So, I just focused on melodies. As you hear in the earlier songs that I wrote, like Paralyzed, shout out to Paralyzed. These are basic chords and basic, like, not really basic lyrics, but you know, words that you hear all the time. I found the passion because I kind of is like an outlet of like letting out your feelings and everything, you know. If you don't have anyone to talk to, you can just write a song. So now it's what, 2022, so around almost 10 years or so. My music life, I also have a business, a family business. So I run there from time to time, help out. I admin there. Yeah, boating with my parents and my family, my cousins. Just go jet skiing. I like we go wakeboarding, banana boat, and all those stuff.
Og para pampag good vibes karong buntaga, mamahimo ba hatagan mi nimog sample sa usa sa imong mga songs karong buntaga?
So, here's a little sample of my first single called Loving You. It's from my EP called For the Love. Chill and drink some wine. Anywhere you like. With you I'm in paradise. With you I feel alive. Said I can't lie, no I can't lie. Just wanna be with you all the time. I can't lie, said I can't lie. I can't stop loving you.
Og what can we look forward from you karong tuiga, Jeric?
Whew, yeah, we have a lot planned this year. First of all, I'd like to invite you to my release for my first single called Loving You. It's from the EP For the Love. So yeah, man, For the Love. We're having a show on February 11, pre-Valentine's dinner. It's gonna be on Friday. Hope to see you guys there. If you wanna experience something new, it's a whole new vibe, you know, old school music, new school is gonna be there, where everyone's gonna link up. You know, it's Valentine's and it's pre-Valentine's, so you still have the day for everyone else, you know. Moving forward, we got a lot of advocacies coming up, collaborations, you know. We're trying to help the youth with music here in Cebu, basically. The youth hone their music and you know, help us move forward here with our music in the Philippines.
And to close this, Jeric, you have the floor sa imensahe nimo sa atong mga viewers, mga kapuso nato orong buntaga.
So, all I can say is, you know, keep doing what you love. Find time to do what you love. Find time to be with the people you love, and you know, never stop doing good things, you know. Day by day can make the world a better place, a big difference, you know, one good deed. And I hope you guys continue to support us and will support us. For the people who just heard about us and me, continue to support me and my team in this journey.
Cebuano singer-songwriter Jeric Aznar Cervantes.